Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add the calculator widget to your Webflow website. It only takes 2 minutes, and you don't need any specific skills to do it. First of all, let's go to Elfsight and choose the calculator widget in the menu list. The link is in the description. Click Create Widget. So, let's create your widget. Begin by choosing a template that suits your case best. Click Continue with this template. Define the purpose of your calculator and add the necessary input fields to start building a unique calculation tool for your website. Customize the look and feel of your calculator to perfectly match your website's design, from colors and fonts to button styles and more. Define the purpose of your calculator and add the necessary input fields to start building a unique calculation tool for your website. Click Add to Website to get the embed code to your website. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. This is free, no credit card required. After you sign up, you'll see the widget that you have just created. Click on the code to copy it and go to your Webflow admin panel. Go to Elfsight, choose the calculator widget, and create it. Copy the embed code and paste it into your Webflow website's admin panel. Now let's add the widget to your Webflow website. Log into your Webflow account and open the editor for your website. Click the plus symbol icon in the Webflow Designer. Drag and drop the embed element to the place where you want the widget to appear. Paste your Elfsight installation code into the embed code editor window, then click Save and Close. When ready, click Publish and select Publish to selected domains to make the changes live. That's it. Your Form Builder widget is now live on your Webflow website. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.